See student, practice time 5 based on estimating products. See the question A. Estimate the products by first rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. Now the condition is given, we have to rounding off a number nearest tens. So let us learn how to rounding off a number nearest tens. Now student, whenever we have to estimate the products, we have to follow two steps. So let us start with the step 1. Step 1, we have to rounding off the numbers. So rounding off the number nearest tens. Now student, already I shown you how to rounding off a number to the nearest tens. So both number we have to rounding off. So the last digit we have to check. So last digit is 6, which is more than 5. So that is why student, we have to plus 1 in our next digit. So it is next digit is 5. So 5 में 1 plus करना है. So 5 becomes 6 and the last digit will be 0. So it is nearer to the 60. Now student, 89. So check the last digit. So last digit is 9, which is less than 5 or more than 5? Less than 5. Is it that? It is more than 5. So more than 5, that is why, what is the rule? We have to plus 1 in a next number. So next number is 8. So in a 8, we have to plus 1. So what will be the answer? 8 become 9. And the last digit is your 0. So 89, it is nearer to the 90. After rounding off, after completing your first step, you have to follow the step 2. What is the step 2? You have to follow the multiplication. So multiplication of rounding off a number. So that is why 60 multiply by 90. So 60 multiply by 90, directly you can do this 0 and this 0, you can write down first and then multiply by the numbers what are left. So 6 and 9 is left. So 6 9s are 54. So this is your number. Now student, here we have to round off a number to the nearest tens. So again we have to follow the step 1. What is the step 1? Rounding off number. 113 have to round off and 78 also round off to the nearest tens. See student, when we have to round off nearest tens, so that time 10 place and 1 place we have to observe. So check the last digit. It is 3. Is it less than 5 or more than 5? Less than 5. So therefore, the rule is when the digit is less than 5, in the next digit no changes. Digit will remain same. So therefore 100 plus 1 and the 10 plus 1 no change. And this 3 become a 0. So 113 is nearer to the 110. Now students, 78. So check the last digit 8, which is more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. So that is why here in a 7 we have to plus 1. So 7 become an 8 and this 8 is 0. Last digit will be 0. Now you round off the numbers. So follow the step 2. What will the step 2? 110 multiply by 80. So student, what we have to do? These 2 zeros already you must have to give. Then the take multiplication of the numbers. So 8 multiply by 11. So 11 8s are 88. Means 8 1s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. So that way you can solve the estimate the products. See student, a question B. Find the actual and estimated products by first rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. Now we have to rounding off a number to the nearest 100. Here also we have to follow the 2 steps. See student, what to do? Find the actual and estimated products. So actual student, actual means actually real, we have to take a multiplication. So student, don't take a actual multiplication, only find the estimated products. So therefore first step, rounding off numbers 82 and 56. So therefore 82 you must have to round off nearer to the 100. Now student, here both numbers are 2-digit number. So that is why these both numbers are nearer to the 100. Directly you can write down 100 because third place is not there. So that is why directly write down both numbers are nearer to the 100. Now step 2. Step 2 is take a multiplication. So multiplication is 100 multiplied by 100. So give these 2 zeros and 2 zeros. How many number of zeros are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros is given. Now number multiplied by number, 1 ones are 1. So it gives you 10,000. Now see student, fourth example, 215 multiplied by 154. Now how to round off this 3-digit number. Already I send you a video based on this. So step 1, rounding off the numbers 215 and 154. See student, when we have to round off nearest to the 100, so that time 100 place and 10th place we have to check. So here at the 10th place digit is 1, so which is less than 5, so that is why no change in the 2. So 2 as it is, and these 2 digits will be 0, 0. So it is nearer to the 200. Now student, we must have to check these 2 digits. Now 5 it is more than 5 or less than 5 or is equal to 5? It is equal to 5. So when it is equal to 5 or more than 5, rule is we must have to plus 1 in a next digit. So in 1 we have to plus 1. So this 1, after adding 1, it become a 2, and these 2 digits will be 0, 0. So the numbers are nearer to the 200. Now step 2 is what? Multiply. 200 multiplied by 200. So 200 multiplied by 200. How many number of zeros here student? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros I gave. Now the numbers can be multiplied to the number. That is 2 2s are 4. So it gives you nearer to the 40,000 is the answer. Now see student, question D from same exercise. A manufacturing company manufactures 1375 toys in a month. How many toys will they manufacture in a year? Means student, a manufacturing company means, manufacture means बनाना, okay, making. So वो क्या बनाते हैं? Toys. So student, they are making a toys, a manufacturing toys in a month. एक month में 1375. So how many toys will they manufacture in a year? मतलब एक साल में कितने टॉयज वो बनाते हैं। एक मंथ का उन्होंने दिया है और आपको पूछा है कि एक साल का कितना है। सो दैट इज वाई द क्लू इज वी हैव टू फाइंड फॉर द many things. So that is why, and but many things, but we have to estimate the product, and which is estimate to the nearest tens. So let us write down toys in a month. So toys in 1 month, how much are given? 1375 toys in a 1 month. So toys in 1 year. Before to find a toys in a 1 year, see student, year and the month, there is a relation. What is the relation? 1 year means 12 months. Okay, 1 year means 12 months. So therefore here we have to take a 12 month, not a 1 year. So that is why the toys in 1 year, it is 1375 multiplied by 12. Why we take 12? Because 1 year means 12 month. Because monthly we have to find the numbers. Now student, we have to estimate the products. So estimate this product. So step 1 is rounding off. So rounding off to the nearest tens as it is told. So 1375 we must have to rounding off, as well as 12 also. So राउंडिंग ऑफ नियरेस्ट टेंस, मतलब 10 प्लेस और 1 प्लेस देखना है. सो 1 प्लेस इज 5. वेरी गुड. सो 5 इज इक्वल टू 5. सो दैट इज वाई वी मस्ट हैव टू प्लस 1 इन अ नेक्स्ट डिजिट. 7 में प्लस 1 करना है, तो नंबर विल बी 7 बिकम 8 एंड दिस इज 0. नाउ 12. So last digit is 2, which is less than 5. So that is why no change in a 1. So 1 remain as it is and this is 0. Now what? After rounding off, we must have to find the product. Find the product. 1380 multiplied by 10. So give the number of zeros 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now multiply the number, multiply by number. So 1 can multiply to the 138. 138 ones are 138. That is 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3 and 1 1s are 1. So therefore, so we can say that thus 13,800 toys will they manufacture in a year.